How to download CapCut application in any iPhone. The CapCut application might not be available in your region. If you are facing this issue, simply open the App Store application on your iPhone device and tap on the profile button at the very top right corner. You can now click on your profile name displayed at the very top. Immediately after that, you will be required to log into your Apple ID. Once you've done that, click on the country/region and tap on the Change Country. From the list of all these countries, we are going to select Australia. And now make sure that you read through these terms and conditions and simply click on the Agree. Now you will be required to change your address. Simply fill in these gaps as displayed on the screen. For the street, we are going to type in Sydney and enter your postcode as 6700. Simply fill in the other blanks as shown on the screen and simply click on the Next. Now to download the CapCut application, simply go onto the App Store and search for CapCut. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.